Not all homes have a large and spacious interior. In fact, many people live in a small living space, and it can be difficult for them to imagine what is the best way to furnish and decorate their own home interior. Everybody knows that their home interior should be cozy, elegant, and welcoming place where friends and family can gather. Unfortunately, a small home interior can often seem a bit cramped. Fortunately, you need just inspiration to turn your small home interior into a modern and inviting living space. And here we can help. Hi, my name is Lulu and I will be your host for today's video. Welcome back to our channel and a new uploaded video. If you like the video, please consider giving us a like, comment, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions. Please watch the whole video. You won't regret it. You will find here one of the best designer and decorator idea for this year. Modern and trendy home interiors made for young families with an active lifestyle. All these dreamy family homes are surrounded by lovely green areas and charming backyard gardens. There is either a patio or a backyard garden or both for all these brand new homes, which makes easy to enjoy the fresh air. Amazing combination of rural ambience and city convenience. Anyone who wants to combine an active city life with the beauty of nature will love living in such a modern home interiors. It is not our intention or role to sell these homes. We just want to show you how to properly furnish and decorate such a home interior. How I have already told you that these are the new designer creation for this year. Despite their limited to average living space size, they look sensational. Bright, airy, comfortable, elegant and functional. You will discover that they are in a neutral base color palette. Regardless of that, the interior are not cold or impersonal. On the contrary, they are warm and inviting. When you don't have a lot of square feet to play around with your own living space, it can be quite difficult to fulfill all your dreams without your home interior feeling overcrowded. But not anymore. we found and selected these beautiful, useful, and creative designer ideas for your living room, bedroom, master bedroom, hallways, kitchens, dining rooms, and bathrooms. Here in our video you will find excellent tips on how to make the most of your own space. Explore furnishing and decorating ideas for small living spaces. What will be your favorite design idea? We love to hear your opinion. Write us in the comment section. As usually, we will see together several design ideas from our video. Let's start with this charming home interior, a small multi-functional kids room, bedroom and working area, superb furnishing and decorating idea. What do you think of this modern open space in a neutral beige, white and black color palette? Large floor-to-ceiling window and wide glass sliding door toward the beautiful backyard and patio. Gorgeous ceramic tiled flooring throughout, a cute outdoor dining table and chairs for an alfresco dining area. Here in this image you can see another wonderful modern open space, again in an elegant neutral color palette and with large windows that let plenty of natural light to get inside. The ground floor have a small and elegant family home interior. Here in this image you can see the living room and the stairway in the prime plan. We have collected here a lot of inspiration for the interior design of your own living space, so you can create the right atmosphere in your own home interior. For example, just look at this home interior. Again, a beautiful and elegant open space. It is in the bedroom that we relax and recharge for a new day. It is therefore absolutely necessary that the bedroom should be characterized by a relaxed atmosphere, such as in this image. Let's see now a modern, simply designed kitchen with white cabinets and kitchen island. Despite its small size, the kitchen is beautiful and functional. Small white and grey home interior, beautifully furnished and decorated. Especially the decoration of the living room is tasteful. Just several tall vases with flowers. The most important things about this living room design are coziness and comfort. The decor is absolutely perfect for a small family. Superb home interior decor in this image, a harmony of colors and textures, and a stunning combination of classic furniture with rattan furniture. We sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video. Please write your opinion in the comment section, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Best regards and see you soon to another new video. Bye bye.